In today's video, we are going to do a Michelin guide tour of Chinatown and Bangkok. We're also going to stop at a couple of other places that are highly rated, and you will get to see it all.
Yeah.
And we'll eat, and we'll get full, and then we'll fart.
Okay. Hi, we're Ashley and Nigel. We recently quit our jobs and sold our home in Seattle and are now traveling the world full time. Welcome to our channel.
Please like and subscribe for more fun travel content. Bangkok's Chinatown is one of our favorite things we've done in the city, and we cannot say enough about how much we love it.
It is jam-packed with the most amazing food, from nice restaurants, little walk-in stops, and epic street food stalls.
You gotta dip it in the juice, pick it up the juice, eat it from the juice. That's all, man.
You can grab food anywhere you're walking for cheaper than pretty much anywhere in the city, and it's all good.
For this video, we focused on some of the more budget-friendly Michelin guide restaurants and amazing eats that you can find in Chinatown for people traveling on a budget just like us. We're also gonna rate each of these stops from 0 to 5. 0 being avoid at all costs. 1, you could miss it. 2, you should consider it. 3, you should stop. 4, you have to stop. And 5, you didn't visit Bangkok the right way unless you stopped at this place.
And before we get into Chinatown, we would be remiss to not mention two of our favorite restaurants in the city. One being the OG of food travel, Mark Wien's restaurant, Fedmark. You're in Bangkok, you cannot forget to try this place, the GOAT, Mark Wien's restaurant, Fedmark.
Shout out Mark Wien! He has a huge fan base, including us. He's one of the reasons why we started loving watching travel videos all the time. This is his own restaurant. It is a must-see in Bangkok.
I'm gonna get it spicy, probably spicier than I should.
Yeah, that's probably right.
Yeah.
It's pretty spicy, but not like too spicy.
It's not unbearable.
All right, Mark, you did it. You got my nose running. Takes a little bit to do it. The first bite, I thought, oh man, I should have got the spiciest. Glad I did. It sits on you.
Yeah, he got the signature, which is like the one below the spiciest, and then I got the one below that. It's legit spicy.
And it's flavorful.
It's really good.
Duck egg helps. Get the duck egg. Get two.
Get an
two.
extra egg.
I should have got two.
Yeah, very good.
Good job, Mark. Very impressed.
Our next recommendation will be Thai Niam cuisine. This is not in Chinatown, but it is a Bib Gourmand Michelin recommendation for the last 8+ years. This place is one of the least stuffy and most affordable Michelin guide places in Bangkok.
Pretty much anything fancier than this is going to cost you a ton of money, and it's probably booked out for months in advance.
Mine.
The chefs here expertly deliver Thai dishes that are native throughout all regions in the country.
The flavor is such intensified. It's got a lot of spice right off the bat. There's a real meaty flavor to it, but you can tell that the meat was cooked down with a lot of vegetables.
Ginger sour.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm such a fan of tom yum. Like, some of my favorite. Oh my god. The broth is creamy. The right amount of spice. The right amount of lemongrass. It is awesome. They're so soft and chewy. Holds a lot of the flavor of the broth.
Been dying to try this. Where's this been going? This has such a robust flavor. Another creamy dish without being too creamy. The most wonderful thing in the world.
Now that we covered those, which we had to if we're gonna do a food video, let's get to Chinatown. Below in our comments, We are gonna link the actual walking path we did so you can follow this food tour.
It's extremely walkable. You can do this in about 20 to 25 minute walk total.
There is absolutely no shortage of places to eat around here, so please feel free to pick whatever one works best for you. We are going to leave the description of each place we stop at in the comments. Yee-hee.
Our first stop in Chinatown is Jane Long crab noodles. This is probably the most unique dish that we've had of the day.
Tucked inside an alley, which is tucked inside another alley, you'll find this crab restaurant. This is gonna hit hard. Y'all don't even know how big this is gonna hit. This is gonna hit hard. First place we're stopping at, it's not technically yet a Michelin restaurant, but it probably will be.
They also have a really nice, famous braised Wagyu beef noodle. Just gonna get the crab roe, but if you're here, and you can, you should try both. Okay, so what you do, they'll give you the crab on the side, and you pour it in, and then you mix it up. So now, we're gonna try it. So I don't make a mess. That tastes so good. Almost like a thick crab gravy. It's not overpowering on the crab flavor.
Like the true Cajun beef, the taste is tested with crab.
First of all, I'm an hour north of where you're from. Right?
That's fine. You just try it with the chili.
I will. Our collective rating for this place is a 3 out of 5. It's a should stop. Our next stop's called Long Lai, this sweet little dumpling place. It's only 3 dishes on the menu. It's either pork, quail egg, or shrimp dumplings. Basically like a little stand with a couple of seats on the side of it. Really sweet owner. Really excited about this one. We ordered a medium, which is a 5-piece of the pork dumplings, and the quail egg, because we just got to try that one, of course.
Alright, I'm gonna try the quail egg one first, but I gotta get some of those crows on that. That's the Cajun word for these things. Crows.
Look how good that looks.
The egg yolk is perfect. It's still runny. Has a lot of good flavor in it. Skin of the wonton plus the egg, they kind of mix really well together. Like it's almost like it's supposed to be there. I'm eating all the birds in Asia: quail, pigeon, other birds.
Oh, I want a crow too. And an onion. You're right, the wrap is so like soft and delicate. This is really good. The ground pork tastes really fresh. It's very flavorful. Your next stop is going to be Lim Lao Ngao. This has been on the Bib Gourmand Michelin Guide list since I think 2018 or so.
If you come out to Bangkok, this is one of the major places you have to hit. It's an institution.
Gotta blow in it for like 10 minutes. So hot. Oh, that's so good. It's like that cream seafood broth, like a wonton noodle broth. Oh, it's good. This takes me back to Hong Kong. Oh my god. These are the best fish balls since Teo Village. They have that same like juicy bounciness. These are very fluffy and light. Yeah. Oh yeah.
I like to make it weird. That is very good. All you want in an egg noodle. This is the best egg noodle I've ever had.
We're giving this one a 5. You have to stop. You did not come to Bangkok and see it properly if you did not stop at this place.
Our next stop is Nyack. When we showed up here, this place was really busy, so we couldn't film too much inside. They had a political truck drive by that was screaming out, "Vote for me."
Alright, this is our second Michelin Guide stop. And it is rice bowl noodles. You can see those guys like that. And crispy pork soup.
Crispy pork. I could sleep in that.
And it looked good.
That's some strange.
Yeah. You see it's like rolled.
We're gonna give this a 2.5. We do think there's a possibility we ordered the wrong thing.
The rice noodles and the texture and how they're rolled is super unique to this place. I think that and the broth alone is worth it, but the dish overall didn't impress us too much. Still think it's probably worth a shot. It is on the Michelin Guide and has been for a while.
And then our last stop of the night, which it should be yours as well, is Patungo Chinese Donuts. This was amazing. Desserts, Michelin style. I think I'm gonna get it with ice cream, but who knows?
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting it with ice cream.
Yeah, you are.
In case you don't know, your boy loves cookies and cream ice cream, so this can be epic.
I see the whites. That was a weird sound.
That's all. That's all.
Holy Lord.
Hold up.
Give it to my mouth.
Tasting strawberry milk. That's fresh.
Right?
5 out of 5.
This is such a good dessert. I'm really upset that we haven't found this before throughout Southeast Asia because we would be eating this everywhere, all day, every day.
You don't know nothing about Bangkok if you ain't been here.
Flip it in there. That's awesome. Cut the tape. Cut the tape.
Since we were able to do this all in one night, this is definitely doable for even a short trip to Bangkok.
We even stopped at a secret bar called Hannibal. We're gonna put that in the walking tour as well. Not giving you any more info on it. Figure it out, we did. We're not that smart.
That sounds like, oh, we just don't want to help you. No, it's a secret bar. And they actually don't like to give the exact location out. It's in a building on the 10th floor. You'll find it.
If you have any questions about any of these places or anywhere else in Chinatown, shoot us a little message, leave a little comment below. We're gonna have more videos coming out for Bangkok soon. We are currently in Da Nang, Vietnam, so we're gonna have videos for that coming out soon. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Nigel.
And I'm Ashley.
And we're our roaming empire.
Keep watching.
And keep chasing.
I was bracing.
Yeah.
I was like tensing up and bracing for it to be loud.
Our neighbors are probably like,
Please like and subscribe for more fun travel content.
Ginger sour. It's like ginger. I don't really know. I don't remember.
I pee, sometimes I even sneeze. I pee, I pee, sometimes I even sneeze. Sing it with me. I poo, I pee, sometimes I even sneeze. I poo, I pee, sometimes I even sneeze. Yeah, I do. Chew, ha chew, ha chew. Don't bless me, I'll bless you. Ha, ha chew.
I don't think we need all that.
we have a lot more videos coming out for Bangkok, so keep looking at us with your eyes.
No, enough poo. We do poo too much.
We do poo too much.
We do poo too much.
It's literally like a night and day.
Okay.
You're like a robot when you read.
The expert Thai method review.
Just eat the food.